So I can do this. You know, I can be talking. Boom, boom, boom. I made this out of Python. Man, what is up with y'all? I'm back again with another video, and I'm about to show y'all how I made this like soundboard StreamDeck type of thing in Python. I was going through this problem where I don't have a StreamDeck, you know, the thing that you can press while you streaming, you can press sounds and things like that. So I kind of made like an alternative in Python so I can do it, you know, have sound effects in my streams and all that for real. So yeah, so first things first, I use Python to make it, as you can see. And I'll also use PyQt5. I'm sorry. I also use PyQt5 for the UI and stuff like that to make it, you know, a little more pretty. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it, y'all. So basically how this works is, let me go ahead and run it so y'all can see how this works. Boom. So this is the program right here. Let me make it a little bigger for y'all. And it's responsive too, so it's always gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I can make it bigger for y'all. So let me go and delete this right now. So you have 9 buttons that you can assign the sound to, for real. And how I did that was you will upload a sound. So you click this upload button right here. I do have a YouTube sound effect somewhere in here, so let me go ahead and find that. Yeah, right here, YouTube streaming. So let's do like a cinematic boom or something, you know what I'm saying? Cinematic boom right here. Upload that. We type in, we name it, you can name it, boom, just like that. Let's upload another sound. Let's do, what y'all want to do? Let's see, sad music. So we name that sad music. And you know, so forth and so forth. You can do this 9 times. You can have up to 9 sounds. I can close this out, and when I open it back up, those sounds will still be there. You know what I'm saying? And how that works is, this is using text files to store paths. So if you scroll down here, upload sound, this function right here, you can see that, you know, when you upload the sound, that it prompts you to, you know, rename the sound, and it also stores this path or this file path within this text file. So we have a sound path text file right here, and as you can see, it's pulling it from my D drive and my YouTube streaming folder, and it has that, you know, that exact file. So it knows where to pull that file from, whatever it is on your computer. And now we also have button states too. So this is in charge of, you know, renaming those buttons and stuff and keeping the name. So whenever you exit out and come back, it's saved, you know, it's written to this text file. So everything will be, you know, how you left off. And so to demonstrate it, we're gonna bring it back up. I'll make this a little bigger. So I can do this. You know, I can be talking. Boom, boom, boom. I made this out of Python. Didn't take me that long. You know, you get the point. You get the point. I can stop the sound with this stop button sound, because sometimes the sounds be too long and you want to stop it. So you can have this on a different monitor from where you're streaming on, and so that your audience will never see it. But you can still have, like, you know, that StreamDeck type of content, you know what I'm saying? Same thing for sad music. You know, I'm down bad right now. Boom, boom, boom. I just told my girl the other day, blah, 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 blah. And things like that. So, you know, you can, the possibilities are endless, man. They're endless. Say like that, there are endless. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to get on here and show y'all that, you know, Python can kind of do anything. You know, I feel like I stand behind it. You know, I still stand behind it. Now, my next challenge or whatever is try to get this as a OBS plugin. You know what I'm saying? Something I can put on one of these, you know, side screens or side menus, you know, one of these, and have, you know, this thing right here be embedded within it. So, you know, something you can download and it can be right there. And you can control it on a different monitor from where you're streaming on, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. What else? And yeah, like it's only about 215 lines of code, man. Most of that code is just functions. You know, this how it loads the sound paths right here. This how it saves the sound paths. This how it loads the button states. This how you also you can delete the sounds too. So if you right click, press delete, boom, it's gone. Just like that, y'all. And yeah, like upload. So I know I have the version, my first version, still up on my website, so you can get that. And if you guys want this version, just let me know in the comments, y'all. If y'all let me know in the comments, I will release it. But if y'all don't say nothing, then you know I'm just gonna keep the old one up there and things like that. And yeah, so I hope this helps. I hope this helps streamers as well, or content creators, whatever you're doing. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.